Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to change the line size in Photoshop. I apply for any line size. Okay. Change the line size. Click the line layer. Then click pen tool or shape tool as your wish. Use for shape tool. Then stroke. Click the stroke. Click and drag it for this line size. Stroke line size. Or press custom line. Right custom point. Click another layer. Click pen tool or shape tool as your wish. I click the pen tool and apply the same formula. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.